Hello, friends. I hope this new year is bringing good vibes to you, a good time to you. Let us continue with my point of view, what I feel. Friends, so far I have talked about certain things which we should refrain from doing. Think before you speak, I said. Today I will tell you something that I want you to speak. Yes, friends, I want you to use words of praise. I want you to praise people with kind words, with compliments. Once you make it a habit to pay compliments, you will realize that the heaviness around you disappears. The atmosphere becomes very light. How does this happen? Friends, at the outset, let me ask you, don't you feel happy when someone praises you? When someone points out something and says that, well, this is something I like about you. It does give us some bit of happiness. I will stop here and tell you that I certainly do not mean flattery. I'm not talking of fake compliments. I'm talking about genuine, healthy compliments. I have a feeling that several times we get this opportunity of expressing our praise for certain things around, but I don't know for what mental reason we refrain from saying those things. It has happened around me many times that I have seen things in people, I have observed things in people, but the words have not come to me to express the praise. I wish I had done it, and I implore all of you to please do praise when you get an opportunity. It could be anything. You could praise someone's dress. You could simply say, "You're looking nice." You could praise something like a handbag or shoes or pants or the color of someone's shirt or some such thing. I'm telling you, friends, the more generous you become with your praise, the more people will be happy. And they will be happy with the people who are giving this praise. They will have a soft corner for you also. And not only will you make them happy, by doing this, you will bring happiness to yourself. You will make the atmosphere very light. If there are any tensions or anything heavy or burdensome around you, such words dilute the intensity of that burden and makes everything look very light. Several times we visit people's houses, and when we are leaving, we do say a hearty thank you. I tell you, friends, please do praise them at that time. Tell them you were perfect hosts. Tell them, oh, I loved this in your house. The food you gave was really delicious. And all these things are very important. We have to include them in our lives. I have heard this often repeated slogan, we don't have time, we are too busy, who's going to be bothered? I know, life is busy. It's moving at a very fast pace. We have to grab this time, and you must pay compliments. Pay it all around you, whether it is your house, it's your workplace, it's in parties, it's with your friends and neighbors and relatives, it's children, it's older people. Do praise them. And the last thing I want to say is, don't necessarily praise only things. Like I said, someone's bag or shoes. Praise someone for what the person has done. I saw someone helping an old couple in my building when they were going to the hospital. All he did was he told his driver, please take them and drop them to the hospital. I was waiting near the lift. When the same person came near the lift, I just told him, I said, I must say you've done a wonderful thing. It is so thoughtful of you. I could have just gone away, but just saying that brought a smile to him. He felt that satisfaction, and seeing the smile on him made me happy. Friends, you will get plenty of such occasions, opportunities. Don't lose them. We will talk much more about so many things. For today, this is all. Bye-bye.